So what I have here are jewelry items. They're so very affordable. It's a one-time occasion jewelry set. So I have here one. First one is the Dubai. So let us try the Dubai set. This is actually composed of the necklace you have here. It's actually a deer-shaped necklace that's so very nice to look at when you actually wear it during a wedding or baptism. So it's gonna be so just elegant, so elegant to wear. Look at that. So you can pair it with some t-shirts on, some black t-shirts on, and of course you can actually wear this bracelet like that's matched with the necklace, and that's diamond in shape. And you can actually wear this one like there. Ayan, so it matches with the watch, but it's diamond in shape. And so the earrings here, it's a dangling earrings. It's actually diamond. It's actually a water droplet design, but the name of it is Dubai set. I don't know what is it, but you can actually wear it like this. So you can actually again remove first what you worn here, so you can actually push it over to the hole. Ayan. Ayan. So let's just make it's easy to wear, so you can actually insert that to the hole. Ayan, so it looks like this one. So it's so very elegant to look at when you go for socialization. Shh, I'm recording. So you can actually pair that with some black t-shirts on and wait.
Ako may huna diri noon.
So again, so you have that look. You look like some. Yeah, that's it. So another jewelry we can wear this to the wedding occasion, to the baptism, christening. Are you sponsoring a wedding event? Or you even a school event? So it's some special occasion in your life. You can actually wear this the whole day, and so you will look like this elegant, so amazing. So another set, we will try the Nigerian set. Okay? So that's composed of necklace, bracelet, the earrings, and also the ring. So let's remove it first. Mag flag racing mo karon or sa Monday ra? Mag flag pod mo karon every time after sa class. So let's pagtungtong og mga. So it's actually very elegant to look at. So I have to bring Starbucks or UNC para sa brigada. Hindi kasi ako naka-attend ng brigada. Ito kasi si Zach, hindi ka kaka-transfer lang. At? Kaka-transfer niya kahapon at Mount Juliet. So, bago lang siya. And then, so let's have the second set of them. So let's try to have the second set. The second set of the jewelry. So I record this so that I can actually see how it's nice to wear on your as your chest accessories. This design is a heart design. Yun. Dito, sit down.
Dili ko.
So, sit down. So, Zach is sweating na already. Feeling the man. Napakalikot ng batang niya. So, this one is the necklace. It's actually long. It's chained and look at this portion here. So, we have a circle, another circle, another, and this is the heart shape, and this another circle, and then this is the pendant. It's actually hanging. Look at that, so amazing. So we're gonna try this on to our neck.